Hello affluent family, welcome back to my channel. Today's video was supposed to be a DIY video of making the bath bombs or bath fizzies, but unfortunately I lost the footage. So I included the footage that I did have, which is this video of me putting the bath bombs or bath fizzies in the mold, and after this you'll just see a video of me demolding them. So hopefully you watch till the end and leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And I will be recording another DIY video, which will be the whole video, that way you can see how they're made. Thank you.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.